Alright, so I wanted to take a moment and show you how I swap out my battery when I'm on a longer ride. I've done a modification to my NineBot so that my side panels, or the side panel where the battery is, comes off easily. So I can switch out my battery pretty quickly during a ride. It doesn't hold everybody up. You can see my backpack here on the left. I carry an extra battery in the backpack along with my camera gear and some other things, tools and such. The battery charger, of course. So anyways, I'm riding along and my battery dies. I pull this little wedge out. It's just a little safety, because sometimes my magnets aren't quite strong enough. They tend to move a little bit in the body. I got to kind of work on that and make it a little bit better. I just haven't gotten back to doing it yet. So I pull out the little wedge. I grab this little piece of tape here, pull, my magnet releases. I've applied a tiny bit of Velcro here and a tiny bit of Velcro here that holds the door on in case that wedge happened to go away. The door would still stay in place. Unplug my battery. I've also put Velcro on the back of the battery. So again, if I happen to crash or something, that's not going to go flying out quite as easily. Obviously, on a really severe crash, it might go out. But between all the Velcro and the wedge, I don't think it's going to go anywhere. It's pretty solid. So in my backpack, keep my other battery and some bubble wrap. I'll put that battery in the bubble wrap, stick it back in my pack, take my new battery, stick it to the Velcro, plug in the charger and the battery connection, take my little door, and in place, make sure my magnets are tight, place my wedge back in, and that's it. I'm ready to go with a brand new battery. I just wanted to share that because I'd shown on the website how I did the modification. I just wanted to show how easy it is to use. Alright, enjoy. Alright guys, I thought I'd give a demo of the lights I just did. I took one of these LED strips that they use on the side of the NineBot. I bought an extra one and I cut it into short pieces. So I have 2 LEDs there, 2 LEDs on that side. So it's 4 in the front and 5 straight down the back. And they're very bright. I love this lighting. And I just wanted to show I can change the lighting in the app because I've connected them to the same power source as the side lights. And I verified on the forums by a couple of people that these really use very little wattage. so I'm not hurting anything doing this. So here we go, I'm going to go to yellow. It's really bright, so it's hard to tell on video that it's yellow, but it's actually yellow here. Let's go up to some orange. It's kind of a greenish. There's more orange. Hopefully it shows orange. I can't see what you can see in the video. Here's red. Whoops, didn't take. There we go, red. So in other words, I can change it to any color that the side lights will do. The other lights just mimic it. I usually run blue. It's the color I run. And I'll probably stick with that. The other nice thing is, I'll see if I can do it here. When I ride the wheel, it's also, whoops, I'm going to do that again. It's brake lights too. So when I hit the brakes, it turns on red for the brake lights. So it'll get noticed well. I really like this. Alright, just wanted to show you that. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Hey guys, this is Super Sport. I just wanted to give you a quick look at my latest update. This is my new battery bag because I carry an extra battery in my backpack. I went ahead and made a bag to protect it and to make charging easy. So this is my old GoPro camera case. I ordered another one to replace it. But I was trying to find a plastic box at, you know, Walmart and Home Depot and all that, and I couldn't find anything that fit quite right. And all of a sudden I realized, hey, it fits this thing pretty darn good. So what I did is I had the original foam in it, and I just cut it where I needed to along the edges. And I took an extra piece of foam and filled in this little hole here, drilled through the side, put in a new charging plug, which I got off of Forward California, or forwardca.com website. So as you can see, it's charging right now. I'll show you. Once it's full, I simply pull the plug, close the bag up, zip it shut. Now I got a camera or a carry case. Makes it really easy to move around, and I can fit it into my backpack. It's got all the foam around it to protect it, so it's nice and safe. So when I get the other one of these bags, I carry my GoPro camera equipment in it, and it will fit right up here above. And I've already tested, they both fit in there. So that's my new battery case. Thanks for watching. Bye.